Hello everyone. We have learned some relevant knowledge about highway design in the previous lectures. Today, we will begin the study of the road plane design. We have introduced the three elements of road planar alignment design: straight line, circular curve, and transition curve. So, what are the characteristics of these three elements, and how to apply them in road design? We will learn details in the following lectures. To understand the three elements of road plane design, we first need to understand several concepts, which have been mentioned in the previous lectures. These are the plane, profile, and cross-section of the highway. Everyone should still have an impression of this diagram, right? This is a three-dimensional view and the schematic diagram formed by plane, profile, and cross-section of a highway. By projecting from the top down, we can obtain the plan view of the highway, represented as A', B', C', D' in the diagram. The curves next to A', B', C', D' are counterlines. The profile diagram is obtained by cutting the road along its center line, projecting from front to back. This results in the profile of the road: A', B', C', D'. Cutting the road in the transverse direction forms the cross-section of the road. The three elements of alignment belong to the plan design, and they are geometric shapes refined based on the trajectory of vehicle movement. In the motion of a car, there are three relationships between the rotation plane of the drive wheel and the longitudinal axis of the vehicle: angle at zero, angle as a constant, angle as a variable. The corresponding paths for these conditions are linear with zero curvature, straight line, constant curvature, circular curve, and variable curvature, transition curve. The road's planar alignment is composed of these three types of alignments, namely straight lines, circular curves, and transition curves, and it is referred to as the three elements of planar alignment. The highway curves that we commonly call are known as horizontal curves. The horizontal curve is generally composed of straight lines, circular curves, and transition curves. In order to conventionally determine the position and direction of straight lines, as well as the positions and elements of horizontal curves, we refer to the point where the extensions of a straight line at both ends of a horizontal curve intersect as the intersection point. Let's study the first of the three elements of planar alignment, the straight line. Which sections are suitable to use straight lines? It mainly includes the following 5 types of road sections. First, open areas in flat terrain and spacious sections between mountains not constrained by topography or terrain features. Second, areas characterized by straight line layouts in urban and suburb areas or planned rectangular agricultural areas. Third, sections with long and large bridges, tunnels, and other structures. Fourth, before and after the road intersection. Fifth, sections of 2-lane highways designated for overtaking. So, how to apply straight lines in highway design? Technical Standard of Highway Engineering has restrictions on the minimum length of the straight line. When the calculated vehicle speed v is greater than or equal to 60 km per hour, the length of a straight line between curves in the same direction should be at least 6 times the calculated vehicle speed. For curves in the opposite direction, the length of the straight line should be at least 2 times the calculated vehicle speed. When the calculated vehicle speed v is less than or equal to 40 km per hour, the above provisions can be applied. Although the maximum length of the straight line is not specified in the specification, It is generally not more than 20 times the design speed based on the design conventions. Dear students, when designing straight lines, it is important to strictly follow the requirements of the specification. The specification is an important basis for a highway design. Therefore, all design indicators should meet the requirements of the specification to ensure the safety and comfort of vehicle travel. Students, please make the specification your foundation in both study and work, in order to prioritize safety. This is a fundamental professional quality for us as highway designers. That's all for this lecture. Goodbye, everyone.